Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed. Some people take it every night and swear it works wonders. Others avoid it because of the strong taste or the fear of side effects. In this video, we are giving you the full breakdown. What really happens when you drink ACV before sleep? Why it works. What you should watch out for. And how to take it the right way so you actually see results. Let us get started. Benefit number 1, blood sugar control. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. It slows the digestion of carbohydrates and improves insulin sensitivity. This means your blood sugar will not spike as hard after a carb-heavy dinner. That steady blood sugar helps your body rest better, and you wake up with more balanced energy. Benefit number 2, improved digestion. Apple cider vinegar will increase stomach acidity, which helps break down food more efficiently. This leads to less bloating, less gas, and smoother digestion overall. If you feel heavy or sluggish after dinner, this simple drink can help you feel lighter by morning. Benefit number 3, appetite control. ACV before bed can help reduce cravings and late-night snacking. It helps you feel more satisfied after dinner and less likely to raid the fridge at 10 p.m. The acetic acid in vinegar slows down how fast your stomach empties. This makes you feel fuller for longer. People who drink it regularly report waking up less hungry. That makes it easier to make better choices at breakfast too. Benefit number 4, improved sleep. When your blood sugar stays stable, your sleep improves. You are less likely to wake up in the middle of the night feeling hungry. ACV will not knock you out like melatonin, but it can help your body stay calm and steady through the night. A calm gut and balanced blood sugar equals deeper, more restful sleep. But before you rush to the kitchen, let us talk risks. Because apple cider vinegar is powerful, it needs to be used correctly. First and most important, never drink it straight. It is highly acidic and can damage your tooth enamel over time. It can also burn your throat or irritate your esophagus if you take it undiluted. Always mix it with water. A full glass of warm or room temperature water works best. Second, if you already deal with acid reflux, you need to be careful. For some people, ACV can actually trigger heartburn. If that happens, stop using it or try taking it earlier in the evening. Third, if you're on medications for diabetes or blood pressure, check with your doctor. Apple cider vinegar can interact with those meds and lower your levels too much. You want to be safe while you improve your health. If you are finding value so far, please subscribe for more natural tips to supercharge your health. Now let us talk about how to actually drink it before bed. You only need a small amount to see benefits. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Pour that into a full glass of water, about 8 to 12 ounces. Do not use hot water. Warm is fine, but boiling water can kill the good bacteria in raw vinegar. Want to level up the taste and benefits? Add a teaspoon of raw honey or a pinch of cinnamon. Honey soothes the throat and cinnamon helps control blood sugar even more. You can also squeeze in a little lemon for freshness. Drink this about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. That gives your body time to process it before you lie down. It will not only help your digestion and blood sugar, it also sets your system up to function better overnight. After you drink it, rinse your mouth with plain water. That washes away the acid and protects your teeth. Now, you do not need to drink it forever. Some people take it every night. Others use it for a few weeks when they want to reset or feel off. The key is consistency and listening to how your body responds. So try it for 7 days and feel the difference. And decide whether to take it further from there. Drop a comment below and let us know how you feel after drinking ACV daily. And check out our other videos on how to improve your health naturally.